What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your phone number on your Amazon account. Start by opening the Amazon app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap the person icon. This will take you to your account dashboard. Now, at the top, tap on Account. On the Account page, scroll down until you find the Account Settings section and tap on Login and Security. At this point, you may be asked to sign in again for security purposes. Go ahead and enter your password. Once you're in, you will see a list of personal details associated with your account, like your name, email, and phone number. Find the mobile number section and tap the Edit button on the right of it. On the next screen, you will see your current phone number. Tap on the number field and type in your new phone number. If needed, you can change the country code by tapping on the drop-down next to the number field. After entering your new number, tap Continue and follow through the prompts to complete the process. You'll be asked to enter your Amazon account password one more time for authentication. After that, you will see a confirmation message saying mobile number updated. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.